What is going on, guys? I just want to give you guys a quick update. For the 0 to 50K Shopify challenge, so I finished creating the website. I created a video of me creating the website, but YouTube was being like horrible. Okay, like they wouldn't even let me record over 15 minutes. Like, come on. But anyways, so this is the full completion of the website. All right, so we got everything all up and running. Nice product page. Everything looks pretty good. So, and then we have a nice collection, right? New arrival. Let's go to new arrivals. And then we have a nice collection. And I started running ads on Sunday. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys an update on that too. So now that we have all our website, right? So, and to let you guys know, I'm already ranking on Google already. Okay, so like this is I'm already ranking on Google. I have organic, my organic is 3 users already. They look at 6 pages on my website, okay? And they spend about 47 seconds, but not long enough. But anything past 10 seconds is someone who's really interested and ready to buy. Like they're interested to buy, okay? So basically all I have to do is create a retargeting ad, and this is for data for today. So but anyways, all I have to do is create a retargeting ad, and we should be good. And I started running traffic campaign too, but this is the way that I'm doing it is not my usual way. I'm doing a very unique way and a very cost-effective way of marketing for this one. So let's go to Google. All right, let's go to Google. See, as you can see, my shopping already started showing impressions. And then this is for today. Today I brought 64 people to the website for about $5. Or technically $6. All right, we'll round it off at average of 9 cents per click. All right. So like I said, this is all data for today. As you can see, refresh. This is the data for today, right? So I'm running display campaigns for, is like I said, it's my unique way of bringing traffic, right? The unique way of bringing cheap, cost-effective traffic and then convert them later on. So I created a traffic campaign running through display, and that's going to be optimized later on in the future as well. Right now I'm just letting it run, collecting data and not touching it, just collecting data right now. So that's what I'm doing. And as even you can see, I'll put the last 7 days to get more data. So but I've only been running this campaign from Sunday. So anyways, so for the last 3 days I've already got 130 people on my website. All right, spent about $11, average 9 cents per click, with a 10,000 impressions. Okay, right now, like I said, I'm only collecting data, and then my retargeting campaign is running with traffic, and it's right now it's only for people who added to cart. So we haven't had any added to cart yet, but this is a brand new Google account, no data, so it's going to take at least, like, let's say 30 days. I'm giving it about 30 days for data to be collected. And as you can see on Google, on the Google Search Console, I'm already ranking. I'm already starting to rank, and I'm already getting impressions. So data hasn't been updated on Google Search Console yet, so I don't know what is ranking. But anyways, but that is the update for the 0 to 50K challenge. Everything is up and running, and everything is smooth sailing. Literally in about 3 days, I'm already 3 days, guys. I'm already ranking on Google. Like, I'm telling you, this stuff is too easy. Like, but anyways, it's a nice. I like the design. It's a nice design. You know, it's very catchy, it's trendy. It looks a little bit upscale. Yeah, I could do a little bit more development to improve it. But if you guys have any questions or any recommendations of video I should make, leave a comment below. Let me know. Like, I got you guys. Like, I'll put you guys on to game, you know what I mean? But like I said, this is my 0 to 50K challenge. You know, stay tuned. You guys are going to see the process of everything. I've already, oh, like, before I even get going, I already created blog, like I said, bringing traffic in the freeway, and I've already created a couple of blog posts. I've created 10 blog posts already. Like, look at this. A couple of these are already on Google rank. Starting to rank. So I'll give a couple more weeks. A couple more weeks. Max, I'll give it a max 30 days, but within a couple of days actually, or well, whenever Google starts calling these other ones, um, we're gonna start seeing more traffic. But yeah, like I said, man, this stuff is too easy, man. Leave a comment, leave a subscribe. All right, let me know. All right, I'm trying to grow my subscribers. I'm new to the YouTube game. All right, I'm starting to get better now talking to the computer screen. Okay, at first it was weird for me, but hey, now I'm feeling it. I like it. I like it. Okay, this is cool. This is cool. I feel like a YouTuber now, you know. But anyways, yeah, I'm out though.